What if I told you there's a futuristic RV from China that doesn't just take you on adventures, but actually generates its own power from the sun? Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, this is the Electries Solar Chinese RV, a concept that's turning heads with its bold design, smart technology, and the promise of off-grid freedom. But is this really the future of road travel, or is it simply an ambitious dream? Stay with me because this RV has some incredible surprises waiting for you. The very first thing you'll notice is its ultra-modern exterior. Instead of looking like a traditional camper, the Electries Solar RV feels like something that rolled straight out of a futuristic movie. Every curve is designed to improve aerodynamics, helping reduce energy consumption while giving it a sleek, premium appearance. Large panoramic windows flood the cabin with natural light, making the interior feel open, bright, and connected to the outdoors. But the biggest attraction is right on the roof. High-efficiency solar panels cover much of the upper surface, allowing the RV to capture energy throughout the day. Imagine parking beside a peaceful lake, surrounded by mountains, while your RV quietly charges itself under the sunlight. That means fewer stops for electricity and more time enjoying your adventure. For travelers who love exploring remote destinations, this could completely change the camping experience. Step inside, and you'll find an interior that looks more like a luxury apartment than a camper. Clean lines, premium materials, hidden storage compartments, and minimalist furniture create a relaxing atmosphere. Every inch of space is used intelligently, making the cabin feel much larger than you would expect. The living area transforms effortlessly into a dining space, while the sleeping section offers comfort without sacrificing practicality. Technology plays a huge role in this futuristic RV. A large digital control panel manages lighting, climate, battery levels, water usage, and even solar charging performance. Everything is designed to be simple and intuitive. Imagine controlling your entire RV with just a few taps on a touchscreen while relaxing in your favorite camping spot. The kitchen is another impressive feature. Despite its compact size, it includes modern appliances, smart storage solutions, and enough workspace for preparing full meals. Whether you're making breakfast before a sunrise hike or cooking dinner after a long drive, everything you need is within easy reach. The bathroom also reflects smart engineering. It offers a space-efficient layout with modern fixtures, clever water-saving technology, and enough room to stay comfortable even during extended road trips. Every design choice focuses on maximizing functionality while maintaining a luxurious feel. One of the most exciting aspects of the Electries Solar Chinese RV is its commitment to sustainability. Instead of relying entirely on traditional power sources, the combination of solar energy and advanced battery systems allows travelers to reduce their environmental impact. It's a vision of cleaner travel that fits perfectly with the growing demand for eco-friendly adventures. Of course, because this is currently a concept vehicle, many specifications remain unknown. Battery capacity, driving range, charging speed, production timeline, and final pricing haven't been officially confirmed. But that's part of what makes this RV so fascinating. It gives us a glimpse into where recreational vehicles could be heading over the next few years. Imagine waking up every morning with fresh mountain air, brewing coffee using solar power, and setting off toward your next destination without worrying about finding the nearest campground hookup. That's the kind of freedom this concept is trying to deliver. It's not just about transportation. It's about creating a completely new lifestyle centered around independence, sustainability, and exploration. As electric vehicles continue to evolve, RVs like the Electries Solar could inspire manufacturers around the world to rethink how campers are built. More renewable energy, smarter technology, and better efficiency could soon become standard features rather than futuristic ideas. So what do you think? Would you trust a solar-powered RV for your next road trip? Or do you still prefer the reliability of traditional campers? Share your thoughts in the comments because I'd love to hear your opinion. And if you enjoyed exploring this incredible futuristic RV with me, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications